Ready to supercharge your car customization skills and mindset? In this video, we're blending the relentless drive from Tim Grover's Relentless with the iconic legacy of the 1995 Acura NSX. Discover the secrets behind creating unique, high-performance machines and why this JDM legend still reigns supreme. If you're serious about mastering your craft and mindset, you won't want to miss this. Stick around because this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Relentless by Tim Grover is a motivational book that delves into the mindset and work ethic required to achieve greatness. Grover, a renowned trainer who has worked with elite athletes like Michael Jordan and Kobe Bryant, outlines 3 distinct personality types: coolers, closers, and cleaners. Coolers. These individuals are content with just getting by. They lack the ambition and determination needed to excel. Closers. Closers are achievers. They set goals, work hard, and push themselves to succeed. However, they can sometimes become complacent after achieving a certain level of success. Cleaners. According to Grover, cleaners are the ultimate performers.
I would absolutely kill you if you ever did something like that.
You could never kill me.
Oh, I bet you I could.
They have an insatiable desire for success, and they never settle. They continuously seek improvement, never letting accomplishments slow them down. So here are the first set of main objectives and takeaways from the book. Relentlessness. The core theme of the book is the importance of relentlessness. Cleaners don't stop at achieving goals. They set new ones and keep pushing forward. Mindset over skill set. Grover emphasizes that the right mindset is more critical than skill set. Cleaners have an unwavering belief in themselves and their abilities. Embrace pressure. Cleaners thrive under pressure. They don't shy away from challenges. Instead, they use them as opportunities to prove their worth. Knowing these factors alone, this is now an opportunity where our specialized expertise and knowledge tilts in favor above all picture contrast. When it comes to using customized cars clearly, for the purpose of breaking down complex concepts and applications, using oversimplified world-class creative analogies.
Long, unbelievable.
And how it discoverable ties into the primary objectives and main takeaways from our featured book of choice, now coupled brilliantly with Vestbuild's vectorized custom art put to market. This is the new innovative way to educate soundly all present, existing, and future car enthusiasts while pridefully exploiting their true passion for customizing cars. This, my Vantage Seekers, is the power, presence, and energy of Carscience. So without further ado, let's begin now. Coolers in customization. These individuals might be content with stock vehicles and minimal modifications, lacking the ambition to push boundaries in car design. Closers in customization. These enthusiasts are already in the game, customizing their cars with passion and creativity. However, they might sometimes settle for common modifications without venturing into more challenging or unique projects. Cleaners in customization. The cleaners of car customization are true innovators. They're the ones who constantly seek new ways to elevate their vehicles, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in car design and performance. They embrace the challenges and never settle for mediocrity. So in this context of car customization, one could draw parallels between Grover's principles and the pursuit of creating a customized vehicle. So here are the additional second set of main objectives and takeaways from this book. Relentless pursuit of excellence. Just as Grover emphasizes unyielding commitment to greatness, car enthusiasts must display an unwavering dedication to crafting a custom car that stands out. Discipline and consistency. Grover stresses the importance of discipline and consistent effort. Similarly, in car customization, meticulous planning, attention to detail, and a consistent approach are key to achieving the desired results. Adaptability. Grover advocates for adaptability in the face of challenges. Similarly, car customization may require adapting to unforeseen circumstances or modifying initial plans to achieve the best outcome. Mental toughness. Grover's book emphasizes mental toughness and resilience. In car customization, facing setbacks or encountering technical challenges may necessitate a strong problem-solving mindset. Continuous improvement. The pursuit of greatness never stops, according to Grover. Likewise, car customization is an evolving process where enthusiasts are always seeking ways to enhance and refine their customizations. Understanding your craft. Grover emphasizes knowing one's field inside and out. Similarly, in car customization, a deep understanding of automotive mechanics, design principles, and materials is essential for creating a truly unique and high-quality custom car. Embracing pressure. Grover teaches how to thrive under pressure. In car customization, especially for competitions or showcases, the ability to perform and showcase your work under scrutiny is crucial. Developing a winning mindset. Grover's book encourages adopting a mindset of a winner. In car customization, having a clear vision, setting high standards, and believing in your ability to create something exceptional is paramount. By incorporating Grover's principles into car customization, enthusiasts can approach their projects with a focused, relentless mindset, leading to the creation of extraordinary, one-of-a-kind vehicles. It's about striving for excellence, never becoming complacent, and continuously pushing the limits of what's possible. Ultimately, Relentless encourages us to adopt a cleaner's mindset in whatever we do, including the passion, purpose, and skill of car customization. When it comes to iconic Japanese sports cars, the 1995 Acura NSX NA1 stands out as a true legend. Celebrated for its groundbreaking design and exhilarating performance, this car has left an indelible mark on the automotive world. Here's why the 1995 Acura NSX NA1 remains one of the most popular and beloved import tuners of all time. Revolutionary engineering. The 1995 Acura NSX NA1 was a product of revolutionary engineering that set new benchmarks for sports cars. Honda's approach to creating the NSX was influenced by their expertise in Formula One, resulting in a car that was both lightweight and incredibly nimble. The use of an aluminum monocoque body made the NSX one of the first production cars to utilize this advanced material, significantly reducing weight while enhancing rigidity and handling. Mid-engine layout and precision handling. One of the NSX's most acclaimed features is its mid-engine layout. Positioned directly behind the driver, the engine provides optimal weight distribution, which translates into exceptional handling and balance. This layout, coupled with a double wishbone suspension system, delivers precise steering and responsive cornering that has won the hearts of driving enthusiasts around the globe. Performance and reliability. Under the hood, the 1995 NSX NA1 boasts a 3.0-liter V6 engine with a 5-speed manual transmission, producing 270 horsepower. This powertrain is not only robust, but also renowned for its reliability. The NSX's high-revving engine, coupled with its smooth power delivery, makes it a joy to drive, whether on the street or the track. The car's dependable performance and low maintenance needs further solidify its reputation as a favorite among enthusiasts. Iconic design. The design of the 1995 Acura NSX NA1 is as timeless as it is captivating. Its sleek aerodynamic lines and aggressive stance make it a standout on the road. The minimalist yet functional interior, with its driver-focused layout and high-quality materials, complements the car's exterior elegance. The NSX's design has aged gracefully, maintaining its allure even decades after its initial release. Cultural impact. The NSX NA1 has made a significant impact on popular culture and the automotive community. It has appeared in numerous films, video games, and car magazines, Contributing to its status as an icon, its influence extends beyond its own model, inspiring a generation of sports cars and tuners with its innovative engineering and design principles. Tunability and customization. The 1995 NSX NA1 is also renowned for its tunability. Its robust engineering makes it a favorite among car enthusiasts who seek to enhance performance or personalize their ride. From engine upgrades and suspension modifications to custom body kits and interior refinements, the NSX offers endless possibilities for customization, ensuring that each owner can create a unique expression of their automotive passion. Enthusiast community. Finally, the NSX boasts a vibrant and passionate enthusiast community. Owners and fans of the NSX come together in clubs, forums, and events, sharing their love for this iconic vehicle. This strong community further enriches the NSX experience, offering support, knowledge, and camaraderie to those who share a deep appreciation for this automotive masterpiece. In summary, the 1995 Acura NSX NA1's combination of revolutionary engineering, precise handling, iconic design, and cultural impact makes it a standout in the world of import tuners. Its enduring popularity and status as a favorite among enthusiasts underscore its place in automotive history as one of the most cherished and revered cars of all time. So as a simple reminder, by applying these principles discussed in this book, a car customizer can approach their projects with a focused, relentless mindset, leading to the extraordinary, one-of-a-kind, exceptional Paramount NA1. Relentless serves as that valuable guide, offering insights and strategies that can be effectively adapted through the lens and world of car customization